Hello and welcome. This is our final falls in Parksville today. We are going to Little Qualicum Falls today. Excited?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, and hopefully we're gonna get some treatsies too at Goats on the Roof, maybe?
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, or maybe Coombs candy factory too. We'll see. Let's see where we get to. There's actually a great place that we're going to go to in the future, right by the Coombs candy factory. It's called Hole in the Wall.
Thumbs up for Goats on the Roof.
Goats on the Roof. Okay, so we are breaking from our Waterfalls series for some wildlife. Well, I am all about the landscape. Tim is all about the wildlife, and he found this wildlife recovery area here. And so while we're up in Parksville and we were on our way to the Little Qualicum Falls, he found this, and so we're going to go in and see our way around, and Tim will be in heaven for a while. My mom had all these things in her house, everything on this table. Those cans, that blanket, and that
The cider pot thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have one of those.
What are you looking at?
Raptors.
Okay.
Loads of raptors.
So the ladies downstairs saying that they just have these viewing areas so that they don't get used to the humans. Interesting. So you get to see us viewing them. So these are live animals that have been brought in for recovery. So this is a monitor of a bear, baby black bear. I'm going to show you, like, here's the vets. See the veterinarian here. So cool, eh? With the incubators and.
Oh, wow.
Very cool, right? So this bear apparently sleeps all the time. And this one over here, you can't really see it. It's in there, but it plays all the time. It is playing. Yes, yes. Do you have any stress in your life, bunny? Tell us the secret to relieving stress. Oh my God, I want to take that one home. It looks so soft. Can you imagine just stroking that one? Look at its fur, it looks so soft.
Downward rabbit.
Well, thank goodness we can stop searching. Came back. Can you hear that raven? He's calling his friends. You're all set. Yeah, those are blankies, right? I think we could take him home. It's the right size. Yeah. Worth a chicken. What I'm looking for, Tim? Some really big marshmallows.
They have those here.
You do?
Yeah.
Like,
I have a big fist. That's awesome.
those would be great for campfires though, right? Okay, here we are, Lower Falls. There are two falls at Qualicum. And I've talked Tim into doing both of them. So Thumbs up for Tim. He's not going to be happy about coming back up these stairs. To go all the way down there too. Oh dear. But we can hear the falls. So pretty down here. I've forgotten how pretty Little Qualicum Falls is. It's gorgeous. All the way around. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, today's been the best day ever. Look how pretty. Right into the sun, hard to see, but absolutely stunning. Okay, how are you liking the falls so far? It's pretty gorgeous, isn't it? There's a huge loop around, so we're just walking around the loop right now. And I'm going to take you and show you this viewpoint. More falls. There you go. More falls. Lots of falls here. And even more here.
So the bad news is that after bouncing around on the bridge and dipping our toes in the water, the audio failed. And so we have no more audio for the rest of the vlog. But the good news is I can read lips. And what Melissa's talking about here are how beautiful the waterfalls are, and these crawfish who happen to have attacked her. They were enormous. Apparently they were the size of lobsters, and there were two of them. But in fact, there were actually just two tiny little crawfish. So I think maybe people call them crayfish in other parts of the world. Totally harmless. This, she's explaining, is a waterfall, and it's a really beautiful waterfall. And she's going to adjust the angle of the camera so you can see the waterfall in the background and the pieces of wood. This is an interesting part. This is a plaque about a waterfall, and in fact, it's the waterfall that's behind her. It kind of makes sense with the plaque being there. And it is pretty. I've got to say, it's actually a really beautiful park. And if you get a chance to get up there, make sure you do. This is another waterfall. And I think there might be, oh yeah, there's another waterfall here. It's a pretty amazing spot. I'm explaining that I'll be driving home, and she won't be, only because the cell phone mic has died, and I can't call the police to let the police know that she'll be driving. She just basically at this point wants to thank you for watching the vlog. I'm explaining that the bakery at Goats on the Roof is really good. Not sure there. I think that might have been French. And from here, she's telling you that there are more waterfalls somewhere on the island that we're probably going to go and look at some point in the future, to make sure you actually like the video here. And if you really liked it, and you can leave a comment about how awesome the audio was on this particular vlog, and give us a thumbs up. Then if you could write in the comments, waterfalls are awesome, the audio is epic, that would be terrific. I really liked the goats. I thought the bears were pretty amazing. Going down to the to see the wildlife rescue area was pretty epic. And thanks very much for watching. And she's going to say bye here too. There she goes.
Yep, we're going to do it. We drove all this way I know you can do it. We drove all this way. We're going to see both the falls, and then we're going to drive home, and you're going to go to bed.
Not in the car. You're driving.
I can drive if you want, but you don't like it when I drive, so.
I have to call ahead and let the police know you're driving.
Jeez, here we go. You know you're getting tired.